Hi guys, good afternoon. Karon guys, naman mi pangalikod sa dagat. So, nakauna-una mi nga mag-sorry mi sa beach. O ako lang i-share ninyo kung unsa ni ilang beach din hit. So, Laguna Beach is a seaside resort city located in southern Orange County, California, in the United States. It is known for a mild year-round climate, scenic forbes, environmental preservations, and an artist community. The populations in 2010 census was 22,723. As per populations estimate in July 2017, the total populations of Laguna Beach City was 23,174. Ano siya guys? O walay winter ni diri, mild year-round climate. So nice, di ba? Ang nakaparat lang ay mahal ang mga palidonon. Diri las din akong balay, millions of dollar, pero nakadapit sa dagat, di ba? Okay guys, ako lang ipakita sa inyo. Ganahan ba mo diri? Comment below para makaibalugod ko kung sa inyong mga comments. Okay, bye! There is door there. There is nice. Indot kay there guys. It's paradise. Kung hapon na tugnaw ka. RJ, ano, may kiwa. RJ, look. What's he doing? They're making hole. What the? There he is. Almost there, RJ. Hey!
Here, film it, son.
We're here! Oh. Yeah! There's Daddy. Hidden behind me. Hi, RJ. So, mao ni diri guys ang ilang beach. Nindot kayo, see? Kita mo na. Apay mga balay diha, mga hotel, mga dagkoking building. Awan na diha. Karon guys, maglakaw-lakaw sa mi diri. Murag di ko makita kay murag ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit kayo. Exercise sa amig, lakaw-lakaw. Ito dili kay dili kay init na maghapon. Hindi na kanindot sa California kay bugnaw. Abel, go back, RG here. Not that there. There you go. Bato-bato. At ilamig ka makalakaw dito guys kay agian kay bato naman diyang napitan. Basa na po, basa TL kay see? Awa. Yes. Para ang nakaparat diri guys kay dagko kayo balod. Good for surfing diri sa Laguna Beach. Nawang mga balod. Murag na ibagyo sa Pilipinas. Mag-inani ang balod.
Here we are, taking a walk down the Laguna Beach, the private section that we're in. It's like a cave down there. There you are. Pretty cool. Can't film in the sun. It won't come out. There's the stairway. Steep. That's it, as far as you can go. That's it. Uh-oh. Get hit. No, that's right.
That's it, guys. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Panawang sunset, guys. Pindot tayo sunset. Awa na, guys. Pindot kayo diri lang mga building dool sa dagat. There he is. Okay, guys. Og mag lakaw-lakaw na pud mi diring dapita sa tuo nga dapit. Og na diha ang sunset. $6:30 na ano? Ha?
7:30.
Oh, 7:30.
Late time? 8?
Yeah. Yep.
It gets dark an hour earlier. It's a different time.
7 o'clock na pero
Dark here at 8.
apay adlaw. There is. Huh? May not bite. Have no mosquito here. It's so windy. There is. There is the ocean. Na siya. Nagkang mga bato-bato. Og diri ra mi kotob kay di mi ka kat-kat sa mga bato-bato. Diha. Okay, go back now. Okay, that's it. There is the Capri Laguna. Ani siya. Whole view of Capri Laguna. And the other hotel. Huh?
No, they have a lifeguard there.
Yeah, that there. There's the bird, RJ. And there is a footstep. You wash, RJ? Yeah. It's better there in the top, RJ. Okay. Okay, go. Turn off now?
You gotta get that on.
Yeah. Okay, we go now. Turn off na. Turn off now. Okay, we go now. There is. Here's the step. Any step. Taas kayo. See? Is that pulled up? What's the sunset, RJ?
Dirty table.
And there is a plants. Oops. What's that, RJ? Waterman. There is.
Oh, when the sunset's turning around.
Yeah, look at here. Huwag ang view sa dagat.
Oh, what?
There's the sunset, guys. Waiting for sunset here. Huh? Philippines. How? There's the photographer there. I saw him. The photographer. There is. And there is flowers, a chair and table you can sit on. And we're going to the room now. There he is. There is RJ. What? Why? Hey. There is the card. And there is the flowers. Nice. At the flowers. And have here flowers. It's so high, huh? Our room is here. There is 7:23. Go inside na. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye-bye!